I'm giving a shout out to my new friend and fellow gardener at Mike's Chaotic Gardening, because he also has hydroponic gardens as well as outside gardens. And I thought of all people you would appreciate this, and I will put a link to his page in the description of this video so you can subscribe to him, because he's got some cool videos about gardening and does some cool ways of growing things that I haven't even tried yet. But I wanted to update you on which I've now called him Mr. Bean, and kind of crazy. So the other day when I filmed the video, I think he was only at like 27 inches high, right? So where is he now? And this is Friday to Saturday, Saturday, Sunday, Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday. This is 5 days later. He is within 3 inches of the ceiling. So this is crazy. Friday he was at 27 inches. Friday to Monday he gained 24 inches. So he gained 8 inches a day. Then yesterday he gained another 8 inches. And so far today he's gained 7 inches. And we're only at 6:45 at night, so he'll probably gain another inch and will probably be another 8 inches. So isn't this absolutely insane that he's gained almost 40 inches in 5 days? So just insanity. Isn't that crazy? So this bamboo pole, it's kind of funny. This is like kind of pointless here, but I guess if it starts to grow beans, maybe they'll spread on here. But it just wrapped himself. Now if beans grow up that high, I'll be having to get my step ladder from the garage to get them. So I'm kind of laughing, and it's like everywhere you see these leaves, that's where the beans are gonna come. So maybe I should crawl up there and snip off the top. But yeah, this is pretty insane. So we've got some action going here. We've got some action going here, here, there. But yeah, he is, and I was kind of laughing because he's 5'6", and that's how tall I am. So Mr. Bean is now the same height as me. If I stood on top of my I do garden, which I would not recommend because I'd break it, but if I stood on my I do garden, then I would reach the ceiling as well. So thought you guys would appreciate this. Apparently pole beans do grow in these hydroponic gardens, and they grow quite well.